Kajing pen krek ke sorkar jelaya ke Tamasa cherry blossom ke ban salong ha ke khat sabat khat santere unai wing araja arpusan nakal yang menteri rangba ke jela konrad ke sangma ha ke laipoi tarik risau araja arpusan ulapen bena pajba ya ke thup ba ar jong ki nong Rwai ki ban wan ban pen song shit ha ke tai ke Tamasa. Haba kran sikilat pathai kubor ukonrad ke sangma ulaong bagi nong Rwai ki ban wan ban tem ha ke Sngi ba ar ki kentup ya ke Aqua u diplo nolor nong Rwai ra ba pau nam ke partai TYGA. Nalor kata ula ongru bakin don kinong Rwai bapau ke jela bakentup ya ke Meba Ophelia Girish bat ke Chronicles nalor ke jingle Burom yo Zubeen Garg unong Rwai na Assam ubadang shuklat shen.
I am delighted to announce the comprehensive lineup for the Cherry Blossom Festival 2025. This year's festival promises to be a grand celebration of music, art, and culture, showcasing the rich diversity of our state. The lineup features an array of talented artists, including The Script, Jason Derulo, and Nora Fatehi on day 1. On day 2, we have the iconic band Aqua and the rap pop sensation TYGA. Our festival will be closed by the world-renowned DJ and producer Diplo. I am also proud to announce that we have a special tribute to the legendary artist Zubeen Garg, performed by musicians close to him. We also have talented local artists like Meba Ophelia, Dapist, and ADL, as well as national and international performers like Girish, The Chronicles, and Arius. The festival will include a range of activities such as the traditional Mr. and Miss Cherry Blossom competition, cosplay, cherry blossom arm wrestling, and many other activities. We have planned a festival zone across multiple grounds, including the stadium main stage, the second ground polo ground, and the MFA grounds. Tickets are available online and at box offices in Shillong. I take this opportunity to invite all citizens and visitors to join us for this vibrant celebration of art, culture, and music. Let us come together to make the Cherry Blossom Festival 2025 a memorable experience for all.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.